Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to elevating your living space, inside and out. Today, we're venturing beyond the threshold and delving into the world of awesome landscape design and some tips for stunning yard landscaping. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's begin by defining awesome landscape design. It transcends mere aesthetics. It's about creating a functional and visually stunning outdoor environment that seamlessly integrates with your home and lifestyle. It's a space that inspires relaxation, recreation, and connection with nature. Think of it as an extension of your living area, blurring the lines between indoors and out. The advantages of awesome landscape design are numerous. It significantly boosts your home's curb appeal, adding value and marketability. Functional design creates designated areas for entertaining, dining, relaxation, or even a private oasis. Additionally, well-planned landscaping improves drainage, reduces erosion, and even attracts pollinators, contributing to a healthy ecosystem. What the best plants for awesome landscape design? The best plants for your awesome landscape depend on your climate and desired look. Here are some general recommendations. 1. Evergreens. Provide year-round structure and color. 2. Flowering shrubs. Add pops of color and attract pollinators. 3. Native plants. Adapted to your climate and require less maintenance. 4. Low-maintenance plants. Perfect for busy lifestyles. 5. Hedges. Create privacy screens or define property lines. How to decorate your front yard or backyard. Now, let's explore how to transform your front yard or backyard into a space that wows. Here's a breakdown of the key steps. First, assess your space. Measure your area, consider sun exposure, existing structures, and drainage. Second, define your needs. Do you crave a tranquil retreat, a vibrant entertaining space, or a haven for children? Third, plan your layout. Sketch a rough plan, incorporating walkways, patios, seating areas, and planting zones. Fourth, choose your materials. Select materials like pavers, fencing, and lighting that complement your home style. Fifth, plant selection. Choose plants suited to your climate, maintenance requirements, and desired aesthetic. And to complete your inspiration and ignite your creativity, here are a collection of top 10 best awesome landscape design ideas that you can try to apply to your backyard or front yard. 1. Fire features. A fire pit or fireplace creates a warm, inviting ambience for outdoor gatherings. 2. Water features. From a soothing fountain to a koi pond, water features add a sense of tranquility and movement. 3. Lighting design. Strategic lighting enhances nighttime enjoyment and creates a magical atmosphere. 4. Living walls. Vertical gardens are space-saving, visually striking, and contribute to air purification. 5. Secret gardens. Tuck away a hidden nook with lush foliage and seating for a personal retreat. 6. Multi-level decks. Maximize space and create visual interest with different deck levels. 7. Hidden storage. Incorporate benches with built-in storage for cushions or gardening tools. 8. Sustainable practices. Use native plants, employ rainwater harvesting systems, and consider permeable pavers. 9. Designated play areas. For families, create a dedicated play zone with soft surfaces and climbing structures. 10. Privacy screening. Strategically placed shrubs or fencing can create a secluded haven. Remember, awesome landscape design is about creating a space that reflects your personality and brings you joy. With careful planning and these inspiring ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a functional and visually stunning retreat. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more incredible design inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your awesome landscape design dreams. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.